Welcome to part 3 of the Lesson 2 presentations. Before you begin the assignment, I have some final thoughts for you. Remember, you should be determining importance and asking questions while you read, but it's also important to think about some of the different literary elements the author has included. Remember, ask questions. Be sure to ask fat and skinny questions. Also, determine importance. Pay attention to and think about the important events. What makes them important? Why were they included? Also, be sure to keep the following literary terms in mind: characterization, direct characterization, indirect characterization, and character trait. Characterization is the process by which a writer makes a character seem real to the reader. While reading, pay attention to the aspects of the characters that make them seem real. Direct characterization is when the writer gives direct statements and description of a character's personality and traits. Ask yourself, where does the writer come out and directly tell me about the character's looks and personality? How do these details add to my understanding? Indirect characterization is when the writer reveals a character's personality and traits through words, thoughts, and actions. Pay attention to each character's actions, thoughts, words, etc. Make an inference about the character based on these tidbits. Lastly, character traits are aspects of a character's personality. These are innate or intrinsic to the character. They're not situational. If a character is scared in one moment, it does not mean that a character trait is scared for them. Scared would only be a character trait if this character is scared all of the time. And in that case, it may be more like shy or fearful rather than just simply scared. Keep that in mind. Think about the character's personality, not physical traits, when you're talking about character traits. As you read, begin to determine the personality of the characters. Pay attention to the author's use of indirect characterization to help you identify character traits for the characters. This is the end of Lesson 2. You are now ready for the Lesson 2 assignment. Return to the Lesson 2 webpage for further directions.